a lathe having lead screw of 6 mm pitch. This is the problem is given. Calculate change gauge to cut 12 TPI on a lathe having lead screw of 6 mm each. Here TPI to cut. TPI to cut. Therefore, pitch is equal to 1 by TPI. Pitch is equal to 1 by TPI. Then lead screw equals to pitch of lead screw. Pitch is given. Pitch of lead screw. That is 6 mm. The formula is given. So what we have to find out? Calculate change gauge. So to find gauge, change gauge. How much? As per given data, that is given in the sum. Now, driver by driven. Who is driver? The job to cut 12 TPI. This is the driver, that is check. Job is held in the check or in between sectors, whatever it may be. So lead screw is driven. So that is equal to job is 12 TPI, that is equal to 1 by 12 inches by 6 mm. TPI, threads per inch. Here pitch is equal to 1 by 12. Driver by driven is equal to pitch of job by pitch of lead screw. Already we discussed in the last class. Otherwise, you write formula here. dr by dn equals to pitch of job by pitch of lead screw. Pitch of lead screw. This is the formula. Then now this is in inches. Top one is in inches. This one is metric. To convert this one, the factor you have to use 25.4. 25.4. Here, then dr by dn, driver by driven is equal to 25.4 by 12 by 6. Then to make it into round figure, we have to multiply by 5 numerator and 5 denominator. Both should be multiplied. Now this one is 25.4 into 5, 127 by 12 by 6 5 the 30. So for example, 1 by 2 by 2 members. We have the half rupee, 2 members we should get. How much we will get? 1 by 4. That means 1 by 2 into 2 equals to 1 by 4. So here now dr by dn driver by driven is equal to 127 by 12 into 30. 12 into 30. So here the gears are 127 gear is 1. 127 gear is available into 1 by 12 into 30. 360. Now we got 127 by 360. ఇదెందుకు ఆఫ్ అయింది? ఎందుకు ఆఫ్ అవుతుంది చూడు. Then 127 by 360. Now you see here the fraction is dr by dn equals to 127 by 360. Now we can turn it into 127 into 1 by 90 into 4. Because 90 into 4 is equal to 360, 127 into 1 is equal to 127. This 360 gear is not available. When the 360 gear is not available, we are converting into compound gear type. Now this one is 127 by 90 into 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 converted into 25 into 25. This is one driver into this we can write it as 25 by 425 the 100. This one is two drivers. Drivers are two. One is 127 and another one is 25. Drivens are two. 90 is 1 and 100 is 1. So here one driver, one driven. Here one driver, one driven. How we are going to give the connection? Before it was like this. Now we are going to give the connection. You see here how I am going to give. One is driver, this is the first driver, this is the second driven. You see the gear is one here. Then now another one is 90. This one is another driver 25. That is connected to this one. This is the driver 127, driven 90 and the driver 25 and the driven is 100. The connection will be like this. First gear and the second gear, then the third gear, then that is connected given to fourth gear. This is the way we have cut 12 mm, 12 dpi. 12 dpi, listen. The pitch is equal to 1 by dpi. That is given here. Driver, pitch of the jaw by driven, pitch of lead screw 1 by 12 into 25.4. This is the conversion factor. Then convert it into millimeters. Then the millimeters we got 25.4 into 5, 127 by 12 by 6 is given 6 into 5, 30. 127 by 12 by 30 we will get it. 127 by 12 into 30, 360. This gear is available, this gear not available. In this case, we have to change into compound gear train. 127 by 360, 127 into 1 by 90 into 4. 9 4s are 360. Then 127 by 90 into 1 by 4 into 25, 25, that is 25 by 100. So this is the gear. Whenever this one is correct or not, we can check up whether it is correct or not. How you are going to check? You see here 127 driver into another driver 25 by, so here 90 into 100. 25 1 the 25 4 the. So that is equal to 127 by 90. So 127 by 360 already we got before it. 127 by 360. This is 12 dpi to cut. The gears are correct, no mistake. So this is the way we have to calculate the change gear calculation. Now, sometimes already we discussed the pitch of jaw by pitch of lead screw till to get the gears. Now we are going into another formula. Lead to be cut by lead of lead screw. We will discuss about that. So how the lead will come? The pitch is over. Now we are going into another one. You see the same formula in single start, double start. Single start thread, single start. There is another one, double or multi start. Double or multi starts. Then in this case, the formula you have to use driver by driven equals to lead to be cut. Lead to be cut by lead of lead screw. Lead of lead screw. So why I am mentioning here lead? Lead is equal to pitch into number of starts. Number of starts. Pitch into number of starts. So why this number of starts are given? Because whether it may be double start, whether it may be multi starts. Then the thread will have sometimes a single start, sometimes double start, sometimes triple start, maybe 4 starts also. Why this double start is given? To get faster movement of the nut over a bolt. To get faster movement of the nut over a bolt. For example, I will write one sum like this. See here. Calculate change gears to cut 2 mm pitch with double start, on a lathe having lead screw of 6 mm each. 6 mm each. So how many starts are here? Double start. What is the pitch here? 2. So now formula, what is given? Pitch of job. Pitch of job equals to 2 mm. Number of starts. Number of starts equals to 2. Therefore, lead is equal to pitch into number of starts. Then pitch how much? 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 mm. Lead is equal to 4 mm. Then lead of lead screw is equal to lead screw is equal to 6 mm pitch. These two we need to find the chain gears. Now you see here, driver by driven equals to lead to be cut by lead of lead screw. Sometimes lead screws also, sometimes there may be double start. So I took this single start. Then here, what is the lead? 4 mm. 4. What is the lead of lead screw? 6. That is equal to 4 teeth not available, multiply by 10 numerator and multiply by 10 with the denominator. Then you will get 40 and 60. In the simple gear train we can give the connection. This will be 40 and this will be 60. The intermediate gear, any number of teeth. So like this we have to calculate whether the lead is given or pitch is given. Sometimes lead screw with double start will be given. You have to take lead screw double start means multiply by 2. If it is 3 starts, multiply by 3. If it is 4 starts, multiply by 4. As the number increases, helix angle, number of starts increases, in the thread helix angle also will be increased. For example, that also I will show you how that will be increased. You see the thread carefully. The threads are like this. Then this is given here. For example, if it is a single start, the helix will be like this. If it is a double start, helix angle will be increased. 2 starts, one, another. Suppose 3 starts, the angle will be some more increased. Single start thread, this much distance you will get. If you go to double start thread, this much distance the nut will move. If you go to triple start, this much distance will get if it makes 1 round, the nut moves over a board. For that purpose, to get faster movement and to get stroke, the multi-start thread will be applied. So this is the way you have to calculate the change gates. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me a question also, no problem. Switch on your, unmute your mobile phone and ask me whatever the doubt you have. Then one more I wanted to tell you. For example, this is circumference of the jaw. When opposite starting points are there, we can say that is double start. One start starts from here and makes around like this, and the second start makes around like this, around the cylinder. The cylinder is like this. If it is 3 starts, 1, 2 and 3. If it is 4 starts, that is here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The same way, the indexing driving plate also they will make like this to get to cut 4 start thread or 3 start thread or double start thread. So one slot is provided here in opposite direction. There is a slot to keep the lathe down. Then here there is a hole with threads that is fixed to the plate. Quite opposite to this one, there is another slot. Then here also there is another slot. Here also there is another slot. Then this will, apart from this, there is one more slot here and one more slot here at about how many degrees? 120 degrees. 120 into 3, 360. So this is the circle, it makes 90, 90. This is the indexing catch plate, we can say. By using this, we can cut a number of stars. When we want double start, opposite we have to set the lathe dog. When we are turning in between centers, whenever we wanted to cut 3 slot, first slot, second slot and third slot, that is 120 degree. So whenever we wanted to cut 4 slots, 90, 90, 90 like this, there will be the indexing plate also. Otherwise, the second one, how they will set. The other method, how they will index the star. We have the top slide, compound slide is there. By using the compound slide, whatever the pitch is there, we have to move the compound slide to a certain pitch, whatever is given in the drawing. Then we can cut the threads. That is one method. This is catch plate method. The third one is end of the bed gearing. There are gears. Here is the driver. Then another one is driven. Driven, no need to index that one. Driver gear is important. So driver gear, for example, here 40 teeth driver gear is there. After taking finishing the single start, you change the position of the gear 20 teeth, quite opposite to that. Mark and set. Head stop మీద మార్క్ చేసి దాన్ని సెట్ చేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది. That is gear dividing method. Gear. That is one. The second one is compound slide. Third one is catch plate method. And fourth one is indexing plate. That is another one. So these are the methods to cut multi-start thread or single start thread. So first you have to remember that when we are cutting the threads, metric pitch on metric lead screw, I will write the formula. Some 6 formulas are there. Metric to metric, British to British, and metric to British, British to British. One is metric to metric. Metric pitch on metric lead screw. Metric lead screw one. Second one, British pitch on British lead screw. Second one, British lead screw. Second one. Third one, metric pitch on British lead screw. British lead screw. Fourth one, British pitch on metric lead screw. On metric lead screw. These are the main formulas. This one means pitch of jaw by pitch of lead screw equals to dr by dn. Keep that one in. This is the main formula to calculate all the that are derived from this British one. Then pitch of jaw by pitch of lead screw, or TPI of lead screw by TPI of jaw. That will be reversed. TPI of jaw. The jaw will come down. When you are using pitch, you have to write the formula. When you are using TPI, TPI of lead screw by TPI of jaw is equal to dr by dr. Never be confused. Then third one, British pitch on metric lead screw. Here 5 pn by 127. 5 pn by 127 is the metric pitch on British lead screw dr by dn. Then this one is, the next one is 127 by 5 pn equals to dr by dn. There is some special gear 63 is given, translating gear. Translating gear 63 is given. For example, our small leg. When 63 is there, here driver by divide is equal to 63 pn by 1600. This 63 pn by 1600 is equal to 63 into 25.4 equals to, you will get nearly 1600. Nearly 1600 you will get. Approximately. This is the way. When this translating gear is given, dr by dn is equal to 63 pn by 1600. What is that one? Metric pitch on British lead screw. dr by dn is equal to 1600 by 63 pn. That is British threads on metric lead screw. British pitch on metric lead screw. These are the formulas. These formulas are derived from only from this formula. So this is the way. What is the time, brother? 9? Ayupoyindi. Exam. All of you tomorrow.
Tomorrow you are going to have exam that is by the Google format. So you will have exam. The timetable will be sent to you by today. And tomorrow there is no class. From Monday you will have again online classes. So tomorrow you are going to have the exam of theory as well as calculation and the engineering drawing also. You have 3. So tomorrow you are going to have theory exam, calculation.